Assalamualaikum student, welcome to the classes of Sufa English High School. This is continuing of history chapter number 9. So let's start with the new paragraph. Maharani Tarabai. After the death of Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj, Aurangzeb thought that he had won the war against the Marathas, but it was not so. Aurangzeb was winning battle after battle, but he could not win the war. Maharani Tarabai, the capable wife of Rajaram Maharaj, came forward to lead the Swaraj movement in the extremely unfavorable circumstances. Contemporary Mughal historians Kafi Khan describes Maharani Tarabai as an intelligent and knowledgeable woman. Her management of the army and administration had won renown even during the rule of her husband. After the death of Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj, Maharani Tarabai continued the Swaraj struggle bravely. With the help of her Sardars, Aurangzeb captured Satara and Panhala from the Maratha territory, but at the same time the Marathas dashed up to the Mughals areas of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Tarabai expanded the war areas further. Sardars like Krishnaji Samant, Khanderao Debhade, Dhanaji Jadhav and Nemaji Shinde opened battles against Mughals on various fronts outside Maharashtra. This was a sign of change in the outcome of the war. Maharani Tarabai fought for 7 years. She kept the Maratha kingdom strong. She took charge of the administration single-handedly and encouraged the Sardars to participate in the mission of Swaraj. Maratha Sardars fought against the Mughals up to Sironji, Mandsaur and Malwa. Hafi Khan has recorded that Rajaram's wife Tarabai achieved great things and displayed the qualities of leadership of the army and management of campaign. It added force to the Maratha campaign. Thus, Maharani Tarabai kept up the legacy of the valor inherited from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Now, student, in this paragraph, it is explained that about Maharani Tarabai. After the death of Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj, Aurangzeb thought he had won the war against the Marathas. Aurangzeb was winning battle after battle. He could not win the war. Maharani, the capable wife of Rajaram, came to forward to lead. Contemporary Mughal historian Kafi Khan describes Maharani Tarabai was an intelligent. Management of the army and administration had won renowned. Even Swaraj struggled bravely with the help of her Sardars. Aurangzeb captured Satara and Panhala. The Marathas dashed up to the Mughals areas of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. The war areas further. Dhandaji Jadhav and Nemaji Shinde opened battle against Mughals on various fronts outside. Maharani Tarabai fought for 7 years. She kept the Maratha kingdom strong and encouraged the Sardar to participate in the mission of Swaraj. Kafi Khan has recorded that Rajaram's wife Tarabai achieved great things and displayed the qualities. It added force to the Marathas' campaign. Thus, Maharani Tarabai kept up the legacy of valors. Now, students, go to the next paragraph. Due to the forceful campaign of the Marathas, Aurangzeb was frustrated. The Mughal Maratha fight had continued for 25 years. Still, the Mughals could not defeat the Marathas. In these circumstances, Emperor Aurangzeb died in 1707 CE at Ahmednagar. The Maratha War of the Independence ended with the with his death. This Maratha War for Independence was the fight between the Mughals emperor's greed to expand his empire and the spirit of independence of the Marathas. The Marathas emerged victorious in it. After the death of Aurangzeb, they led others in filling the vacuum in the political arena. They controlled the throne of Delhi, ran the affairs of almost all parts of Hindustan, and protected it. Therefore, the 18th century is known as the century of the Maratha. In the next chapter, we will see the achievement of the Marathas in that century. Now, student, in this paragraph, it is explained that forceful campaign of the Marathas, Aurangzeb was frustrated. Fight had continued for 25 years still. In these circumstances, Emperor Aurangzeb died in 1707 CE. This Marathas war for independence was the fight between the Mughals emperor and the spirit of independence of the Marathas. Aurangzeb they led other in filling the vacuum in the political arena. Run they controlled the throne of Delhi. Therefore, the 18th century is known as the century of the Maratha. In the next chapter, we will see the achievement of the Marathas in that century. Now, student, this is the family tree of the Bhosles. Bhosles family tree. Now, Maloji Raje, Shahaji Raje, 1594 CE to 1694 CE. Now, this is the table. Sambhaji, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, now Vankoji. It's run 1630 CE to 1680. Now, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj runs 1657 CE to 1689 CE. Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj 1670 CE to 1700 CE. Chhatrapati Sahu Maharaj 1682 CE to 1749 CE. Chhatrapati Shivaji, son of Tarabai. Chhatrapati Sambhaji, son of Rajesbai. Chhatrapati Ram Raja adopted 1750 CE to 1777 CE. Now Ram Raja adopted by Satara Gadi. Okay student, here we complete this lesson. I hope you all understood all this. So read the lesson. Take care and thank you.